Open Door Technologies Incorporated General Overview and Trend. Open Door Technologies Incorporated has shown extreme volatility and growth over the past 3 months. The stock started around $0.58 in June and experienced a massive surge in July and August, reaching a high of $7.48 on September 4 and closing at $5.86 on September 10. This represents an astronomical increase of approximately 910% from the starting point. The overall trend appears to be extremely bullish, though with significant volatility. The stock's performance reflects growing investor interest in the real estate technology sector and speculative trading activity price and volume. The price action shows open trading in a gradually increasing range from $0.58 to around $2 until mid-July, when it began to accelerate higher. Volume patterns show relatively low trading activity until mid-July, when volume began to increase significantly, with several spikes during major price movements, including a spike to 657093063 shares on August 22. The exponential increase in both price and volume suggests a possible short squeeze or growing retail investor interest in the stock moving averages EMA and SMA. The moving averages show a bullish alignment, with shorter-term averages above longer-term ones. The 5-day SMA is at 6,124, while the 5-day EMA is at 588.13, suggesting some recent consolidation. The 10-day SMA is at 5,358, and the 10-day EMA is at 546.59. The 200-day SMA is at 162.41, and the 200-day EMA is at 168.97, indicating the stock is trading well above its long-term averages. The alignment of the moving averages suggests a strong bullish trend, though with some recent consolidation technical indicators. The stock is showing bullish signals based on the overall price action and moving averages, though there appears to be some recent consolidation. The stock remains well above all key moving averages, indicating a strong uptrend. The VWAP is at 268.32, which is significantly below the current price, suggesting the stock is in a strong uptrend overall. The technical indicators collectively suggest a stock in a powerful bullish phase, though with some recent consolidation after a parabolic rise linear regression. Based on the price data over the past 3 months, the linear regression trend line shows a steep upward slope, indicating a strong bullish trend. The regression analysis highlights the stock's dramatic upward trajectory over the period, with the price consistently moving above the trend line during the acceleration phase. Opening price prediction for the next trading day. Given the recent consolidation and the overall bullish trend, the opening price for the next trading day is likely to be around 58-60, potentially continuing the consolidation or resuming the upward trend. The prediction is based on the current price action, which suggests a pause after the parabolic rise, but within the context of a longer-term bullish trend resistance and support analysis. The nearest resistance level would be the recent high of 748. Support levels are likely to be found at the 5-day SMA around 6,124 and the 10-day SMA around 5,358. The current price of 586 is in the middle of these levels, suggesting potential for movement in either direction. The distance to resistance is approximately 27.6%, while the distance to the nearest support is around 4.5%, suggesting the stock has more room to rise than to fall in the short term, though with high volatility, intraday ATR14 values and potential high and low values. Without the exact ATR14 calculation, based on recent volatility, the stock could potentially move 10 to 20% in either direction during intraday trading. This would suggest a potential high of around 64-70 and a potential low of around 47-53 for the next trading day. The extreme volatility suggests that traditional range calculations may not be adequate to capture potential price movements. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario: the stock resumes its upward momentum, breaking above the recent high of 748 and potentially reaching 80-90 as momentum buying accelerates and short sellers cover positions. Neutral scenario: The stock continues to consolidate around current levels as the market digests the massive price movement and volatility decreases. Bearish scenario: the stock experiences a significant pullback towards the 40-50 range as traders take profits after the massive rise and the initial catalyst fades. Conclusion: Open Door Technologies Incorporated has shown an extraordinary performance over the past 3 months, with the stock increasing by over 900%. This type of massive movement is often followed by significant volatility and potential consolidation or pullbacks. The technical indicators remain bullish overall, but there appears to be some recent consolidation. Investors should approach this stock with caution due to the high volatility and the potential for sharp reversals. The stock's performance may be related to company-specific developments or broader trends in the real estate technology sector. Only investors with a high risk tolerance should consider this stock, and even then, proper risk management is essential. The parabolic price movement suggests that the stock may be in a speculative bubble phase, which could end with a significant correction.